How does Wise work? Ever wondered how Wise lets you send, receive, and spend money internationally at low cost? Let's break it down. When you send money, Wise shows the real exchange rate up front. You pay Wise locally, and Wise pays out from its local account into the recipient's country. That means your money often does not cross borders, making transfers faster and cheaper. With a Wise account, you get local bank details in multiple currencies like IBAN for euros or routing number for US dollars. Share this with clients or platforms and funds arrive directly into your Wise balance. You can hold money in over 40 currencies, convert instantly at the mid-market rate, and same rate banks use between themselves without hidden markups. Wise also offers a debit card linked to your account. Spend globally and it automatically converts at fair rates, perfect for travel, online shopping, or subscriptions. And that is how Wise works.